Millions of people wake up every single day feeling trapped in a cycle where restorative sleep feels completely out of reach. The standard advice is to buy a firmer mattress, pop a melatonin pill, or try deep breathing exercises. Yet for many, these interventions fail to provide long-term relief. This suggests chronic exhaustion might not be a failure of your environment or your stress levels, but a structural issue occurring at the cellular level. To find the solution, have to look past the surface symptoms and adopt the perspective of a biochemical mechanic looking under the hood of a complex machine. Under that hood, researchers have found that the biological drive for sleep is physically dictated by the shifting shapes of microscopic energy engines located inside your brain. If the root of the problem is metabolic, standard psychological tips will only go so far. Lasting rest requires addressing sleep as a structural process of cellular maintenance. During your waking hours, your brain operates like a high-performance engine, burning through massive amounts of metabolic fuel to keep you moving and thinking. That continuous, heavy fuel burn produces a toxic cellular exhaust known as oxidative stress. To limit damage, cells use mitochondrial fission. The network snaps apart, quarantining toxic elements. As the day goes on, these stressed engines accumulate, generating sleep pressure. Once you sleep, the process reverses. The brain forces those fragments to merge together. This merging phase, called mitochondrial fusion, allows your cells to share resources, improve their efficiency, and restore the brain's metabolic equilibrium. Sleep is the strictly mandated maintenance cycle required to repair the structural damage your brain sustains throughout the day. Since this biological cycle is a product of evolution, it should be highly reliable. But modern environments have introduced a specific variable that disrupts the entire system. The timeline of your brain's engine is directly controlled by your eyes. A mirrored metabolic cycle happens in your retinas, governed entirely by the light in your environment. This cycle is now being interrupted by intense artificial blue light emitted directly from digital screens late into the night. When that specific wavelength of blue light hits your eyes, it forces your retinal mitochondria into a sudden state of panic and fragmentation. This breaks apart those cellular engines at the exact moment they are supposed to be winding down and fusing together for the night. By using screens in a dark room, you effectively blind your body's natural clock, sending a distress signal to your brain during its critical shutdown phase. Resolving this glitch does not require a new engine. You have the hardware. You simply need a better instruction manual. The Mitochondrial Sleep Protocol is a series of daily biochemical nudges designed to get your metabolic timeline back on schedule. Step 1 happens within the first hour of waking. You need 10 to 15 minutes of natural sunlight directly into your eyes. That early dose of sunlight acts as a hard biological cue, commanding your mitochondria to fuse and produce daytime energy. Step 2 utilizes the sunset. The natural shift to red and orange hues signals your cellular engines to begin their winding down process. Step 3 is the removal of blue light from screens and LED bulbs at night to prevent artificial fragmentation from taking hold. True darkness serves as an active biological signal that triggers the final phase of cellular healing. Fixing your cellular metabolism is the key to restorative rest. If you're ready to fix your internal engine, hit that subscribe button and start getting your morning sunlight tomorrow.